Okay, let's work with the next two problems here on the board, and let's try to do it at the smartest possible way. Now, the first thing to know here is we have a negative sign, so we'll deal with this guy a little later. Why is that? We know that cube root of a negative number is a negative number, whatever it is. Like, for example, cube root of negative 8 is negative 2. That's it. So let us first find the cube root of 8. If that is 2, then if it's next time, there's a negative sign. So that's how we deal the problem. Okay, that was an example. So let's go with this guy. So first of all, find the cube root of 729 and check. For that, I need to break it down into prime factors. So for that sake, let me just try 729 and try the divisibility test by 9. So how will I do that? Add this guy, 7 plus 2 plus 9, that is like 9 plus 9, which is like 18. Can I divide 18 by 9? Yes, I can. It means I can divide this guy also by 9. Cool. So let's do that. 729 and go with 9 8 times, like 72, and get this guy down. It's 1 is 9. Cool. So it can be written as, this can be written as cube root of 9 times 81. Cool. All right, good enough. Now can I write this guy more like cube root of 9 times 9 into 9? Yes, we can, because 81 is nothing but 9 times 9. Cool. Now I can actually take one of these guys out, because they're all same numbers, 9 times 9 times 9. So when they all come out of the cube root, you get 9 as the answer. Very simple. But if you want to break them down into prime factors, as we know, I can write this guy as like what? 9 times 9 times 9 as like what? Break this guy down into 3 times 3, this guy again as 3 times 3, and this guy again as 3 times 3. Why am I doing this? Because I need prime factors. Cool. All of them are prime, and I can see a group of 3 and 1, 2, 3 of them. So these guys will come out as 1, 3, and there's another group, same numbers, they come out another 3. So 3 times 3 is what? 9. So you can do it this way, or you can do this way. Anything is fine. Now the question was not this. What is the question? The question was negative, right? So it was like, we just found the cube root of negative 729 to be positive 729 as 9. So if it is negative, then cube root of negative 729 is what? Negative 9. That is it. Okay, cool. Now let's work on this guy. This is easy, and we don't have to work very hard on this. You know why? We can just write this thing. Whenever you have 3 zeros especially, okay, we can write this guy as what? 8 times 1000? Yes. I'm trying to find this guy, cube root of this guy. Good enough. Can I write this guy as 2 into 2 into 2? Yes. And can I write 1000 as like 100 or 10 into 10 into 10? I can. Now I can see there are 2 groups. Yes. And I can see 1, 2, 3 of them in one group. So these guys can come out as 1, 2, and these 3 guys can come out as 110. So what is the answer now? That is 20. That is it. That is pretty easy, right?